Congratulations, you're pre-approved. Now what? Now's the fun part, finding the home that you want to purchase. But let me give you a warning about realtors. I'm Khalid Murad, your mortgage broker. I help you understand the mortgage process and make strong financial decisions for your future. So you're pre-approved, you know how much home you can afford. Now is the fun part, going out and doing the actual house shopping. This is where a buyer's agent comes into play and is especially important in today's world. A good buyer's agent is going to represent you and negotiate on your behalf to get you the very best deal and find you the house that checks all of your boxes, to automatically email you homes that go on the market. But a good real estate agent is not just going to sit back and let the algorithm work. They're going to go out and use their network to find you on and off market homes. They're also going to send you homes and explain why they feel like this is a good fit for you. If you're working with a real estate agent who has not sent you or communicated with you in the last week, sending you at least one home saying this is the home for you, or let's check this one out, but instead just waiting for you to respond to an automated email search, I think you might need to shop around for a new realtor. But that's not my warning about realtors. It's coming up soon. Let's talk home search. It's very important that you don't just rely on your real estate agent or what you see online. It's very important that you check out the areas where you want to live. Now, if you live in a place like me in South Florida, it might look like a short distance between your future home and your work, just a quarter mile, but you might have to drive all the way out of a neighborhood, around a few canals, and back to another plaza. And that actually takes 30 minutes. So it's very important that you check out the location during all times of the day, during traffic hours, during night, because areas and locations can change. And it might be a good idea to check out your common commute to groceries, to where you work, to picking up the kids, if you have any. Because when you're purchasing a home, you can change everything in that home, but you can't change the location aside from picking it up off the foundation and throwing it on a truck, which you're probably not doing. Don't compromise on your location. Your real estate agent should be sending you homes that match the criteria of what you want in your future home. Once you find one, go check it out with your real estate agent. But don't be afraid to check out open houses. I would also give your real estate agent a heads up for the open houses that you would like to visit. Don't just rely on a one-time walkthrough. Also, communicate with your lender, me, because there might be some hidden costs or red flags that your lender picks up on, but you didn't notice, because there might be some red flags or hidden costs that your lender will pick up on, but you didn't notice because you were focused on those suites, quartz countertops, or that walk-in closet. Finally, you found the home, you want to offer on it. This is where having a great buyer's agent comes into play. They are going to put in a strong offer and know what will get your offer accepted, and then negotiate for you, especially after your inspection has been completed. Now, here's my warning about realtors. In today's social media world, it is so easy to make yourself look like you are extremely successful and very experienced in any profession. I'm not just poo-pooing real estate agents. So it is very important that you get comfortable with your real estate agent, because you need to trust them with a huge financial decision. I'm not saying they have to have tons of experience to serve you well, but they need to be knowledgeable. The first letter in KCL funding stands for knowledge. It doesn't take a lot of experience. It takes doing your homework and working hard to learn about the area, the home, the negotiations that need to take place to get you that home. So make sure your real estate agent is knowledgeable and is listening to your wants and needs, not just sending you homes that they like. If you have any questions in the home search process, feel free to comment below, subscribe for more simple videos explaining the mortgage process, and you can go to khalidclosesloans.com or Instagram at khalidclosesloans and ask or apply there for your pre-approval. Follow me for more simple mortgage videos.